Hey guys, I welcome you all to this all new series of doafco.com that is called Get Set Started with Embedded System. So my name is Pragya and let's get started with this new series. So this is the very first video of this series and this video is called What are embedded systems? So in this video we are going to talk about what exactly embedded systems are. So let me give you a heads up. This video is full of drama and a lot of storytelling also. So have you ever wondered what exactly is an embedded system? Because I did. So as I told you, the storytelling, here it goes. So when I was in my first year of engineering, I thought let's make something out of my engineering because I was really not liking the syllabus only. So for me, engineering was making some big stuffs and I was really excited to learn something. And being in electrical or electronics background, I really wanted to know what all are my options. And because being a girl or maybe more curious, I really wanted to dig up a little bit deeper to know what exactly are my chances to learn something good. So there I came to know about embedded system. So let's talk about the second most important thing, the most formal and commonly accepted definition of embedded system. So here goes the definition. Dun dun dun. Okay, this was a little bit more drama. So combination of hardware and software. This little line contains the summary of embedded system itself. It is a combination of hardware and software. And look at my face. I'm all baffled. So after knowing this, what happened to me? I was confused. Okay, so there are so many devices and maybe many of them would have software. And in the first place, I don't know how many devices have softwares. Yes, I did know your normal fan only had a condenser, a regulator, a motor, and it can be only turned off and on and can change to various speed levels. But your AC, yeah, it has a remote and it do a lot of automatic things. So after the long series of research to differentiate what exactly the short definition means, what are all my options, and where I can find the list of embedded system out there. So what happened next to me after reading this definition was this long search. And after this long search, I came this long way of becoming an engineer itself. And now I think I'm eligible enough to make your research a little bit easier about embedded system. So I can give you a little knowledge. So that's why this channel and that's why I'm sharing this with you all. So the world is full of embedded systems and there are potentially more embedded systems that can fit into our world. So this line means our world is full of various embedded systems. Almost every point wherever you will find an electronic device doing some specific task have some capability that helps controlling your device and making things more accurate and maybe more automatic. There is this little art of hardware and software and the little magic of embedded system embedded in that device. And the world has a potential of having more embedded system day by day. And it is because so many engineers are working on so many things to automate your things up. Maybe tomorrow you will have a whole home talking to you, various things, working on your own your gestures. They can understand and sense you. And it's all about your imagination. All you can think, the word can come up with those. So let's talk about the definition of embedded system. So the would-be definition would be a combination of several mini definitions. So the number one definition that I found is an embedded system is a computer system, a combination of a computer processor, computer memory, and input-output peripheral device that has a dedicated function. Okay, so what all I read, isn't it similar to our normal general purpose computer systems? Because all they have is also a combination of computer processor, computer memory, and input-output peripherals. But this last line made the difference, as it said that has some dedicated function. So your normal computer system can do a variety of tasks. Make your PPT, you can watch your videos, and you can also program your own embedded system using a normal computer. So that's obviously not dedicated functions. So the second definition is an embedded system is a device embedded within machine and controlling the physical operation of that machine. The third definition comes is it is embedded as a part of complete device, often including electrical and electronic hardware and mechanical parts. So they can be an automobile and gas station or some industrial automations. So embedded systems range from portable devices such as digital watches, an MP3 player, to a large stationary installation like traffic light controller, your PLCs, your large complex systems like your hybrid vehicles, your electric vehicles, and medical imaging systems and avionics. And the complexity of embedded system varies from low with a single microcontroller chip to a very high and multiple unit peripheral and network mounted inside a large equipment drive. So that's all. So I hope you understand the depth of this field. So till we come up with the next video where we are going to talk about the prerequisite of learning embedded system, we want you to write in the comment box the list of places where you can find these hidden computers, or you can tell us the names of embedded devices that you have found, because they are everywhere and all you need to see, find and comment. At the end of the video, all I have to say is this small saying: the reason we struggle with insecurity is because we compare our behind the scene with everyone else's highlights. All you need to do is to stay focused, believe in your purpose, and don't see others. So just get started, learn something new, and good luck with your life. So if you're new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, then please like, share and comment.